So here is the Hunter Channing from Home Depot. We have yet to install the blades. It's just we're going to return this, but I wanted to show y'all that when you turn it on, beep. Y'all, that beep is 78 decibels. And we looked at a decibel chart, and the decibel chart said the average alarm clock is 75 decibels. The decibels on this stupid ceiling fan is 78 decibels. And here's what's hilarious. The fan, push the fan button, beep. If you push the fan speed button, think about that. Every time you push that. So imagine you're sleeping at night. It's cold. The fan's going. And you're sitting there and you're looking over at your spouse. She's sleeping quietly. You're like, hey, I'm a little chilly. The fan's going. Hey, let's lower the fan speed. That's because we cut it off. So the fan's going and you change the speeds. And it changes, it beeps every time you change the fan speed. Isn't that great? Isn't that genius? Who came up with that? Isn't that just the greatest, stupidest, design you've ever seen in your life? That's just delightful. Go Hunter. 1886. So 130 plus years of technology down the tubes with a stupid, beeping, 78 decibel fan. Good job, Hunter, and good job, Home Depot, for carrying it.